Hi, these are my audience. How would you feel if your home was taken away from you all of a sudden and there was no way you can ever get it back, that you end up homeless and fitting for your life? Or what if your health is declining due to outside debris that you are forced to remain indoors or you become seriously sick? Or what if the water in your house is so dirty that it is brown in color and you cannot bathe because water is so toxic? Well, believe it or not, these things are slowly but surely happening as we speak due to excessive amount of waste and toxins that are piling up on Earth that we live in. The worst part about this is that it is mainly us humans that are causing this. However, there is still hope. Fortunately, we can make easy changes in our lives to help reduce these negative effects from happening. Littering is an extreme problem in our world. Littering happens when trash is thrown in public, especially in places where it doesn't belong, and it eventually piles up. The problem with this is that trash that are usually thrown away are not biodegradable, meaning that they are not capable of being decomposed. Eventually, these waste travels and ends up in other places that may cause harm. For example, waste can eventually end up in the ocean. In recent years, a large number of sea turtles were found injured due to the straws that people threw away. These straws become stuck on the turtles' nostrils, and because of the plastic pollution they ingest, these turtles eventually die. Turtles are not the only animals dying due to littering. Any animal can mistake waste for food, and eating these plastic causes death because they cannot digest these wastes. Littering can also cause harm to humans. Glass and plastics that are thrown on the street may cause physical harm to us. Shards of glass may cause cuts and other injuries if we mistakenly step on it. Not only that, these wastes carry diseases that can spread from one area to the next. Not only that, these wastes eventually piles up, and which means that there will be more diseases occurring because people are constantly littering. Other than the ocean, waste also ends up in lakes, rivers, and waterways. This will eventually contaminate our water system. Because of these situations, our health will become jeopardized. We would eventually become sick, maybe even worse. Why would we want to live our lives in our environment like this? We can take actions that will help eliminate these problems. There are easy and effective steps we can take that will help prevent waste from ruining our lives. Here are some of the ways you can help reduce waste and harm to the earth. The first thing you can do is recycle. Recycling helps reduce excess waste from piling and as a result helps reduce the negative effects caused by the excess waste. Recycling is very easy. You can recycle a number of things. Recycle paper, plastics, cans, and so forth. Here are some of the things that you're able to recycle. You can recycle cardboard boxes, especially the ones that you get from packages in the mail. You can recycle milk cartons, soda cans, canned vegetables. You can also recycle water bottles and soda bottles. And if you're not sure, you can always find the recycling symbol. That usually tells you that the item is recyclable. You can also pick up a recycling bin for free at your local sanitation center. In addition to recycling, you can also use reusable stainless steel straws. Using these reusable stainless steel straws help prevent the straw waste to flow into the ocean, thus reducing deaths of the sea turtles. The most important thing you can do to prevent waste buildup is to just not litter. Dispose trash in appropriate waste bins and recycle appropriate items to ensure that waste will not end up anywhere that will cause harm to our environment, animals, and ourselves. I hope this speech informed you on the negative effects of littering and that hopefully it made you want to make a difference so that we are able to live and enjoy the world that we live in. Thank you.